Hi friends, welcome to today's debate on the topic friction a friend or foe. I am Harish, studying 8th class in ZPHS Sarakota, Srikakulam district. Friction is a fundamental force in nature. Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion of two objects which are in contact. Chandana and Rashimta argue in the favor of friction, that is positive aspects.
We cannot walk or hold objects without friction. Friction provides the grip needed to perform everyday tasks.
Friction required between the tires of automobiles and road to start, stop or turn the vehicle.
Friction helps in generating heat in the cages like striking a matchstick. Without friction, no building could be constructed. We cannot fix a nail on the wall or tie a knot.
Even we cannot write with a pen or a pencil. Our teacher cannot write with chalk on blackboard.
Chandana and Rashimta explained very nice about importance of friction. Are there any drawbacks of friction? Yosta and Dileswari argue against friction, that is negative aspects of friction.
Friction leads to a significant loss of energy in the form of heat. It reduces the efficiency of machines and vehicles by causing much wastage of energy.
Friction causes wear and tear in machinery. It wears out screws or ball bearing soles of shoes or tires. It requires frequent maintenance and replacement.
Excessive friction can slow down or completely prevent motion. The heat generated can damage components of machines.
Friction increase in fuel consumption and operational costs in industries.
Well said by Yosta and Dileswari agree that friction has drawbacks. It is indispensable. It is key factor how to manage it. Can you explain how to increase friction?
Adding texture to surfaces like threads on tires and soles of shoes increases grip.
We can increase the friction by using brake pads in the brake system of bicycles and automobiles.
Applying friction enhancing materials like rubber, sandpaper or coatings. Kabaddi players rub their hands with soil for a better grip of their opponents. Gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hands.
Friction increases with increasing normal force like applying pressure between surfaces as in brakes or clamping systems.
Hats off to both of you for explaining the ways to increase friction. Are there any ways to reduce friction?
Yes, there are some methods to reduce friction. Polished surfaces like mirrors, bearings offer less friction.
Lubricants such as oil, grease and even water reduce friction between the surfaces.
We sprinkle fine powder on the carom board to play smoothly. We pour few drops of oil on hinges of a door to move smoothly.
Ball bearings are used in vehicles, bicycles and fans and etc. They reduce friction by converting sliding friction into rolling friction.
Thank you both the teams for presenting your arguments. From this debate, it is evident that friction has both advantages and disadvantages. We can increase or decrease friction by applying proper methods. But it is clear that friction cannot be eliminated completely. Thank you to all participants for their insightful contribution. This concludes today's debate.
Thank you.